Hi guys, welcome back to my channel for a quick CVS haul. Thanks for joining me once again to finish up this week. If you're here for the first time, I would like to welcome you and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's go pick up some deals. The first item I'll pick up is Jolene Cream Bleach. It's part of buy one get $5 bag and it's priced at $6.99. I don't have any coupon for this item, but I'm going to use 20% off CRTs. One is from my email and 2 printed at the end of my receipt. And I'm hoping the one from my email will trigger a threshold CRT. That way I'll come back tomorrow finish up. This is how the CRT is applied in this transaction. The first one took off $1.40. The second 20% off took off $1.12, and the third one took off 90 cents. I paid $3.57 plus tax out of pocket, and I got back $5 extra care box, making it free and $1.43 money maker. The next item I picked up is not giving back any extra care box, and I have two $2 CVS Health Oral Care CRT, so I decided to pick up this free item. It's the toothpaste priced at $3.39. And the CRT is adjusted down, making it free. I got the 3 off 15 flash coupon in my email the next day, so I'm going to use it for this transaction, and that's the spend 15 get $5 bag. I'll pick up one cottonelle on sale for $9.99 and one 3-pack Kleenex tissue on sale for $5.99. These two items will total $15.98. I will use a 50 cents off Kleenex digital coupon and the 3 off 15 email CRT. I'll end up paying just $12.48, get back $5, making these two just $7.48 or $3.74 each. This is my receipt for this transaction. The 3 off 15 came off, the 50 cents for the Kleenex also applied. I used $11 extra care box, paid $1.48 plus tax out of pocket, and I got back $5 extra care box. The next deal I picked up is the Crest toothpaste. They're on sale for $3.99, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. I'll pick up 2 for a total of $7.98. Everybody have a 3 off 2 digital coupon, and I also have a $2 CRT. The coupon and the CRT will take off 5, and I'll pay $2.98, get 4 back, making them free and $1.02 money maker. This is the receipt for this transaction. The coupon and the CRT took off 5, and I paid $2.98 plus tax out of pocket, and I got back $4. There is a spend 45 get 20 back on L'Oreal facial care. I'm not going to do the deal, but I'm going to pick up a free cleanser. L'Oreal Revitalift Daily Cream Cleanser is priced at $10.19 as you can see, but on the app it's priced at $9.89. So I'm going to pick up one and I'm going to ask them if they can adjust the price to $9.89. We have a $5 CRT and we also have a $5 digital coupon. Both will apply, but the CRT will adjust down, making it free. This is my receipt for this transaction. The cashier adjusted the price to $9.89 and both the coupon and the CRT applied, and the CRT adjusted down to $4.89. I only paid tax, making it free. This concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.